Hey everybody, today we're in a Chevy Silverado. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip angled mount number 854961. And just as a reminder, this mount also fits the GMC Sierra models of the same years. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. This mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it is this blue covering here, and on this side, you're going to want to peel that covering off before you attach the mount. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it won't leave any marks or residue behind. Second thing we want to mention is make sure you install the mount onto the dash before you attach anything to this faceplate. And now this mount attaches into two different seams. The first is right in here. It's between the hard black plastic of the vent and the softer part of the dash here. So you're going to want to take your two included gap openers, insert one of them at the top of that seam and the other at the bottom. Now that seam's opened up, we can take this angled edge, insert it until it stops, and we take out the gap openers. You're going to take one of those gap openers and insert it into this seam here. And now we're going to press basically that way and backwards on the mount so this goes into that newly opened seam. Then you can remove the gap opener. Now it's in place, you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.